This is the OnePlus 8. Here we have with us a maxed out OnePlus 8 in onyx black color. So let's check it out. Unboxing a OnePlus phone has become a cakewalk in the recent years. It's fairly simple as you just need to hold the top cover and let the phone slide down on its own. The phone is neatly placed inside and we'll just keep it aside for a moment. Removing the top shell, you'll find a back transparent cover for the OnePlus 8. This is a newly designed back cover by OnePlus which has the words "Never Settle" printed in big, semi-transparent letters. Then there's the signature red charging cable for the phone. And at the bottom, you'll find a Warp Charge 30 adapter. The paperwork is inside the top cover. There's a red Cable Club card, which is the membership program of OnePlus. Then there's a quick start guide, safety information and warranty card, a welcome letter, and some OnePlus stickers. There's a SIM ejector tool inside the box as well. So that's all you'll find in the box of a OnePlus 8 when you get one for yourself. Being a flagship phone, the OnePlus 8 packs all the latest hardware chops, including the new Snapdragon 865 chip, high refresh rate display, and triple cameras on the back. That was a quick look at the OnePlus 8 and what you'll find inside its retail box. Thanks for watching.